Last week, we met women whose lives have been touched by Saladmaster's gift of health and wealth.
What makes Saladmaster special is because, number one, the way it's made, the inside of Saladmaster, where the food touches, is made of 316 titanium. It cuts your cooking time in half. The goal really is save money, energy, and time, save health.
Now, I'm so excited to finally see this technology in action as I learn to cook 5 home dishes, namely fried chicken, grilled liempo, sinigang, pancit, rice, and for dessert, cake. All of these in just an hour. Let's see how Saladmaster can make any amateur like me cook like a pro. After learning everything I need to know about Saladmaster, I can't wait because I'm actually going to try it out for myself. And with me is Bob and Winnie Munoz. They're going to be teaching me how easy it is to use Saladmaster. Hi, Bob.
Hello.
Hi, Winnie. So you guys told me that you're going to be teaching me how to make 5 dishes in 1 hour.
Yes.
I've never done that in my life.
Me too. Yes. First of all, we're gonna make our fried chicken.
Okay. And you said that we won't be using oil.
Not
for
a single
this.
drop.
Okay, you show me how.
First of all, let me introduce to you. This is our famous electric skillet. How about you fry the chicken?
Oh, okay, sure. Easy. I can't believe it.
The cover
Yeah.
plays an important role.
Okay.
So when you fully close it, that's normal cooking, which is baking, boiling. But if you want your chicken to be crispy, you have to crack it open.
Okay.
The fresh air comes in, the moisture gets out.
After frying, we immediately went on to grill my favorite pork liempo. And with Saladmaster's grill, this will be my first time to grill pork smokelessly. How did the two of you get started with Saladmaster? How did you get introduced to this product?
My wife is the one that loves to cook. Yeah, I don't cook at all. My parents has that. They bought that in the 80s when I was growing up.
So you grew up with Saladmaster?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
And of course, one of our friends actually invited us to a presentation similar to what we're doing today. Miss Evelyn was actually the one that did the presentation at our house. And then that's how it all started. So she loved to cook. She invested in the cookware. Story short, we've become an owner. or a dealer.
Wow. With Bob and Winnie sharing their stories about Saladmaster, any skeptic can truly believe Saladmaster's promise of convenience and ease. I was surprised to see myself enjoying cooking once again. We're going so fast. We're making such a good time. And what are we making?
We are making our traditional Filipino sinigang.
Oh, okay. And usually that takes a few hours to make, right?
Yes, and our good thing with Saladmaster, very easy and very quick. We're not going to use any water when we make sinigang.
What?
This is how we make it. Okay, we just
veggies.
dump everything.
Okay. Wow,
So your
easy.
tomatoes, onions. You start cooking the sinigang.
Okay.
Go ahead and put the pork in there.
Are you
raw.
sure the raw
Yes,
pork?
Definitely.
Okay.
Yes.
So all of our 3 dishes are currently cooking at the same time, and we're just leaving them alone.
Yes.
Which is so new to me. Okay. And we'll be making cake next.
Yes. So to children that does not like to eat vegetables, we could actually put it here. This what we call food processor. Okay, so easy. We have to be careful because the blade is sharp.
Okay.
Just match the hole to the hook. You turn the handle clockwise, that locks it in place.
Okay.
So this time, what vegetables can we use? Any vegetables.
We already cooked a full set of meals with dessert, and with still so much time to spare. So we went on to cook other Pinoy favorites like pancit and rice. There you have it. We have made 6 different dishes in less than an hour. Wow. It's the first time I've ever done something like this.
Good.
It's so tasty, juicy, tender, delicious. Wow. It smells so good.
Mix it at the end.
Yeah. Okay, so here we go. We have the pork sinigang, and it was actually made without water. But we put in a lot of veggies, and the vegetables created this wonderful soup, which is so healthy and nutritious.
Now let's see if it's good.
Yeah, let's see. Very good. And it's actually a bit sweeter on the sweet side because of the vegetables.
The vegetables.
Okay, so last but not the least, we have our dessert, our very healthy cake, which was made with zucchini and carrots, and of course, apple.
You know how kids do not like vegetables? Now you can camouflage, hide the vegetables in your cake.
Yeah, I love it. I love how sneaky it is. That you make a cake healthy for your kids.
Yes.
And if they don't eat vegetables, well...
There you go.
And thank you so much, Miss Evelyn, for introducing Saladmaster to me. And of course, Bob and Winnie for teaching me how to make these simple but delicious dishes. Our experience and exploration in and around the city of San Francisco is about to end. But we still have one last push to experience the history and music and will define the San Francisco that is known today and for years to come. Let us enjoy our last days here in the Golden City and celebrate our first year anniversary. And let's all look forward to more weekends, more friends, and more trends. Only here on Trending with Kelly Year 2. For week-long updates on my latest travels and features, you can follow me on my blog, kellymisa.com, social media accounts, Trending with Kelly and Kelly Misa on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Trending with Kelly. See you there!